Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: real estate investing for beginners, generating passive income. If you are interested in building wealth and creating a steady stream of passive income, real estate investing can be a fantastic opportunity. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to get started with real estate investing and generate passive income. So let's get started. Understanding real estate investing. To begin, let's start by understanding the fundamentals of real estate investing. Real estate investing involves purchasing properties with the goal of generating income and/or appreciation over time. There are various investment strategies, including rental properties, fix and flip, real estate investment trust (REITs), and more. The key is to find a strategy that aligns with your financial goal and risk tolerance. Setting your investment goals. Before diving into real estate investing, it's crucial to set clear investment goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your investments. Are you looking for a steady stream of passive income, long-term appreciation, or both? Consider factors such as your financial situation, time commitment, and desired returns. Having well-defined goals will help you make informed decisions throughout your real estate investing journey. Understanding market analysis. Market analysis is a critical step in real estate investing. It involves evaluating the local real estate market to identify investment opportunities. Factors to consider include supply and demand, rental rates, property values, and economic trends. Conduct thorough research and consult with local experts to gain insights into the market conditions. This analysis will guide you in selecting the right locations and properties for investment. Financing your investments. Once you have identified a promising investment opportunity, you will need to consider financing options. Real estate investments often require significant capital, and there are various financing methods available. These include traditional mortgages, hard money loans, private lenders, partnerships, and more. Evaluate the pros and cons of each option and choose the one that aligns with your financial goal and risk tolerance. Selecting profitable properties. Finding profitable properties is crucial for generating passive income. Look for properties with positive cash flow potential, meaning the rental income exceeds the expenses associated with the property. Calculate the return on investment (ROI) by considering factors such as rental income, property taxes, insurance, maintenance cost, and vacancy rates. Conduct thorough inspections and due diligence to ensure the property's condition and potential for appreciation. Managing rental properties. If you choose rental properties as your investment strategy, effective property management is essential. This involves finding reliable tenants, maintaining the property, and handling tenant requests and repairs. You can choose to self-manage or hire professional property management services. Proper management ensures a smooth rental process, reduces vacancies, and maximizes your passive income potential. Scaling your real estate portfolio. As you gain experience and confidence in real estate investing, you may want to consider scaling your portfolio. This can involve acquiring additional properties, diversifying your investments, or exploring different real estate markets. Scaling requires careful planning, risk assessment, and ongoing market analysis. Consult with experts and continue expanding your knowledge to make informed decisions as you grow your portfolio. Congratulations, you have learned the basics of real estate investing for beginners and how to generate passive income. Remember, real estate investing requires careful planning, research, and ongoing learning. Set your investment goals, understand the market, secure financing, select profitable properties, and effectively manage your investment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.